Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the ARKM token. It's really easy to get this token. Open up your browser. So once your browser is opened up, make sure you're logged on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. So once you've taken note of the price of ARKM, simply scroll down till you find the contract address. Copy this contract address. Once that's done, scroll a bit down till you find the market where ARKM is being exchanged, and all you need to do now is take note of the exchanges, that's decentralized and centralized exchanges that are currently trading the ARKM. So the top exchange is Binance. So I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Binance to get yourself some ARKM. Minimize and open up your Binance. With the Binance platform opened up, make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with the verified account, how can you get yourself some ARKM? All you need to do is simply head to the deposit icon and simply deposit any cryptocurrency that's accepted by Binance. And all you need to do is, once you've deposited some crypto, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. Now, in order to buy yourself some of the ARKM tokens, head to the home section after viewing your crypto, click on the convert icon, and where we have from or to, click on the spot wallet drop down. Wherever you have more money, you click on the funding wallet or the spot wallet, depending on where your crypto is. And I'm going to be using some USDT to get some ARKM. So type in the ARKM, click on the ARKM token, enter the amount you wish to convert to, click on preview conversion, and simply click on convert. Once that's done, the ARKM is now on our Binance, and you can view it in the wallet section after a simple reload. Boom, the ARKM. So guys, another option of getting yourself some of the ARKM tokens is by opening up your wallet. That's the Trust wallet or the MetaMask or any wallet that supports the Uniswap decentralized exchange. Now click on Trust wallets. Once you've clicked on Trust Wallet, make sure you have some Ethereum on Trust Wallet. That's the mainnet Ethereum is what we're going to be needing for this video. So make sure you have the Ethereum on the mainnet. That's this Ethereum right here. If you do not, click on the buy option and simply buy some Ethereum. So once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum, head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you could simply scroll down till you find the Uniswap exchange. Click on the Uniswap exchange, give it some time to load in. And once Uniswap has loaded in, all you need to do is simply click on the Connect Wallet option, click on Wallet Connect. And once you've selected the Wallet Connect option, you're going to be connecting your Trust Wallet to Uniswap. So click on Select Wallets, click on Connect, and boom, our wallet has been connected. Now click on the Select Tokens option, paste the contract address for the token we copied, that's the ARKM. Once you've pasted the address, click on the ARKM token, click on I understand. Once you've done this, we could easily convert our Ethereum into the ARKM tokens by entering an amount. So for 0.05, all you need to do is simply click on swap and pay a gas fee of $5 and the trade is done. And with that, you could confirm your ARKM on your wallet by clicking the crypto tab at the top right. Where we have the managed crypto, click on the plus, and where we have the Ethereum network, paste and click on import. After a simple reload, you'd find the ARKM token there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.